Hey everybody, Sunday night, March 23rd, 2025. Moving into the trading week. Looking at the Astro Excel chart. Coming in tonight here at the open, we're at about the plus 13 level on the green line. You can see a good chunk of this week we're above the plus 10 area, so this is relatively bullish here. We go back inside the 10 here late on Thursday, but we're still in positive territory between the 6 and 9 level through Friday. Looking at the blue line, we have a spike here late Monday at 1800 in the quiet time. We have another spike here Wednesday at noon. Actually, that's 11 and 12. We've got that rounded peak there. And then we only really have one more on Friday, about 7 a.m. We get up above the plus 10. Those are the more significant ones. You can look at the other ones that are inside the 10 lines, like this one here on Monday. You could look at this around 12 noon. See if you've got other timers going on. That will reinforce those. I do want to point out, though, I don't talk about it too much, but we have the 2-hour gray line chart, which you don't see the gray line on the 1 week chart. But if you want to dial in to the day, you can go in here. This has a pull down time to adjust the tab. What you do, you scroll up to the top, put in the date you want. This is a pull down tab. I'm going to put in Monday the 24th there. You can see it quickly changes. Here you get the green line, the blue line, and the gray line for the day. This is all self-contained on the Excel sheet for the year. Then you can come down to the 2-hour chart, and you can dial in for 2-hour periods on the gray line only. And a lot of times the market will follow these moves. I don't tend to look at the smaller things in here too much. You want to look at the bigger pivots. This is going to also identify a lot of the swings, a lot of the little pivots that are going on in that 2-hour period. So it's always good to pay attention to that and use it with the Rainbow, pH, Cosmo, and whatever else, any other time measurements that you may be looking at. So I just wanted to point that out because I don't talk about it on YouTube that often.